The power of good habits, transforming your life. Good habits are the building blocks of a successful and fulfilling life. They shape our daily routines, our mindsets, and ultimately, our futures. But what exactly are good habits, and how can they help us lead better lives? In this story, we'll explore the concept of good habits, how they can transform our lives, the challenges we face while cultivating them, and the many advantages they bring. What are good habits? Good habits are positive behaviors or routines that we consistently follow, often without thinking about them. They include things like waking up early, exercising regularly, eating healthy, reading daily, setting goals, and practicing mindfulness. These habits are like small, productive actions that accumulate over time, contributing to personal growth and well-being. Imagine your daily routine as a collection of actions that either build or break you down. Good habits are the ones that gradually push you towards success, happiness, and self-improvement. They're not always easy to develop, but once they're ingrained in your life, they become second nature. How good habits change our lives. Good habits are a powerful tool for personal transformation. They have the potential to improve our physical health, mental clarity, and overall quality of life. For example, imagine someone who decides to take up the habit of exercising every morning. Over time, they become fitter, stronger, and more energized. Not only does their body change, but their mindset shifts as well. They start feeling more confident, focused, and optimistic about their life. The same principle applies to other good habits. Someone who commits to reading for 30 minutes each day might find that their vocabulary and knowledge expands significantly. With consistent effort, they may begin to think more critically, communicate more effectively, and even become more empathetic. Good habits help us stay organized and disciplined. They improve our productivity and time management, leading to greater success in both our personal and professional lives. By sticking to habits like planning your day ahead, prioritizing tasks, and staying consistent, you'll notice that you get more done in less time and with less stress. Challenges in building good habits. While cultivating good habits sounds great in theory, it's not always as easy as it seems. The path to establishing lasting habits is often filled with obstacles. One of the biggest challenges is staying motivated. In the beginning, it's easy to be excited about a new habit. You might feel energized and determined to make it part of your routine. But as time goes on, that initial enthusiasm can fade, and it becomes harder to stay committed. Another challenge is dealing with setbacks. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes we may miss a day or fall off track. When that happens, it's easy to feel discouraged and give up altogether. But the key to overcoming this challenge is remembering that setbacks are a natural part of the process. It's important to be kind to yourself and keep going, even if you slip up. Creating an environment that supports your habits is also vital. If you're trying to form a habit of eating healthy, but your kitchen is stocked with junk food, it will be much harder to stick to your goal. Making small changes in your surroundings, like keeping healthy snacks readily available or setting reminders for your workout, can make a big difference. Overcoming the challenges. To successfully build good habits, you need to be patient and persistent. One approach that can help is breaking down big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. For instance, instead of committing to an hour of exercise each day from the start, try starting with 15 minutes and gradually increasing the duration. This makes the habit feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Another important strategy is to track your progress. Writing down your goals and marking off each day you stick to your habit can create a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. It's also a great way to hold yourself accountable. Accountability can also come from others. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can check in on your progress. Sometimes, just knowing that someone else is rooting for you can help you stay on track. The advantages of good habits. The advantages of good habits are far-reaching. When you cultivate healthy habits, they not only improve your personal life, but also have a positive impact on your relationships and career. Good habits lead to increased self-discipline and a sense of purpose. They reduce stress because they help you stay organized and focused. You'll also feel more in control of your life, which boosts your confidence and mental well-being. Perhaps most importantly, good habits set you on a path toward long-term success. They may not show immediate results, but over time, their compound effect will be undeniable. The person who consistently reads, writes, exercises, and stays disciplined will eventually find themselves in a better place than they ever imagined. In conclusion, good habits are the key to transforming your life. They may come with their challenges, but with patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can overcome those obstacles and experience the powerful impact of positive change. So, take small steps today, and watch how they add up to a brighter, more successful tomorrow.